So what's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If this is your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. So Mr. Asafa Powell and his wife recently they make a post on social media. They posted a picture of their newborn baby, and guess what? The internet is on fire. Many people are celebrating. Congratulations, Mr. Asafa Powell. Congratulations, Mr. Asafa Powell. But the other people, on the other hand, they are saying something else. Some people are saying Mr. Asafa Powell is trying to show the world that he is man enough. Some people are saying Mr. Asafa Powell is trying to show the world that he is potent enough, that he's just trying to show off for posting his new born child, which is very, very wrong. People are misunderstanding him. One thing with people is they will always have something to say. I always tell you guys, you can be the nicest person and people will be like, no, you are not nice enough. You can be the kindest person and people will say you are not doing the kindness the way you're supposed to do it. So people will always have something to say. Mr. Asafa Powell did not give them any energy. He minded his business, and it is not a show off. He is just giving thanks to God because there are so many married couples out there that they have married for over how many years and they don't have children. They don't have children. So he is just, this is not a show off. This is just Asafa Powell and his wife trying to give thanks to God, for his faithfulness over their lives. There is nothing like show off here. Anyway, guys, let me hear your opinions and don't forget to like and also subscribe.